Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you are facing display glitches, laggy UI, black screens or icon rendering issues on Windows 11 or Windows 10, clearing the graphics cache may help fix these problems. The easiest way to clear the graphics cache is by using disk cleanup. In this video, I will show you how to clear the DirectX Shader Cache using disk cleanup in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First click on the start button, then search for disk cleanup. In the search results, click on the disk cleanup entry. Now select system drive, usually it will be C drive. After that, click on the OK button. It will scan your system and represent the result. After that, you need to check this one option that says DirectX Shader Cache. You can check or uncheck other options according to your needs. After that, click on the OK button. Now click on the delete files button. Now Windows will delete graphics cache. Once done, restart your PC. That's it. Your graphics cache has been cleared and Windows will rebuild it automatically. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more helpful Windows tips.